My pork belly marinated with half cup of light soya sauce and 1/4 of vinegar. I'm going to stew with potato, my ginger, garlic, and onion. Stew po natin yan. I'm going to stew. Parang adobo ba, pero without carrot. It's like adobo but no carrots, only potato. Okay guys, I'll show you how to cook later on because I'm going to toast without oil the pork bellies and then fry the potato and stew. Frying potato now. Frying potato now, guys. Frying. Now I'm going to toast that a little bit like fry but without oil. Okay. We toast the pork belly first. Okay, guys. So let it brown a little bit as you can see. Okay, so not easy to melt when you stew. That's why I fry without oil. So now my ginger and garlic. Then we add the onion. So now we add the onion and then we add the pork belly. Okay guys, we add the pork belly to stew. Mm. And then we add the existing sauce from the marinade is here. Okay. Mm. Not enough water. I mean the dark soya sauce. Okay guys. We have to add some dark soya sauce. Okay guys. Then cover to stew. Okay guys. So now guys, almost done. The color is so great, and then I will add the potato later on. Okay, potato after 1 hour boiling. Okay guys, so adding now the potato guys, adding the potato. Okay, almost done guys, almost done. Mm. It's done guys. Yummy, 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 yummy. Okay, so nice.